Betrayal is the most painful stab to the heart. It pierces the soul. Pero masakit lang ito dahil nagmahal ka. At lahat daw na nagmamahal, nasasaktan. And when we love, we are almost always blind, even to the most excruciating pain.
Yan!
Wow, Velma. Velma, ang galing mo.
Sure na sure akong hinding-hindi mangangaliwa ang mister niyo pag nakita ka niya.
You think he'll say I'm beautiful?
Kahit walang makeup, ang ganda-ganda niyo na po. Hindi niyo deserve ipagpalit kahit kanino, ma'am.
That's because you're so good. Teka, Velma, ano bang sekreto mo?
Ma'am, atin-atin lang po to, ha. Huwag na lang po kayong maingay kasi bawal po to pag nag-home service ako. Pero sariling products po yung ginamit ko sa inyo. And effective po to, hindi po kagaya nung nasa mall. Kita niyo naman.
You are so talented. Bibili ko lahat ng products mo. You're a genius.
Thank you.
Wow! You are a very beautiful genius. Hi, Ma.
What are you trying to prove now? That you're beyond the disappointment, Eddie? My goodness, you get a woman pregnant and she's just a sales clerk. And she's older than you.
This is not the scene that I present you with a blank check and tell you, layuan ng anak ko. If anything, I am thrilled to have a grandchild. And you can expect our full support in raising this child.
Thank you po. Malaking bagay po sa amin ito ni Eddie.
But this is the scene. I'm warning you about my son. You do know that Eddie did this dahil ginagantihan niya ang papa niya by bringing a woman like you na sagad sa ambisyon. Isisilang mo itong batang ito. But never, ever will you marry my son.
Mahal po ako ng anak niyo.
Mahal? Hindi ka lang pala tanga, kung hindi ubod ng tanga. Don't you get it? Now, you are the flavor of the month. You are his big thrill. Ginawa niya ito dahil gusto niyang seryosohin siya ng kanyang ama. But sooner or later, he will get tired of you. He will find a bigger, better, prettier, younger thrill.
Kung hindi kayo naging sapat sa asawa niyo, then I'm genuinely sorry. Pero sisiguraduhin ko na kami ni Eddie, hindi lang basta maging mag-asawa, magiging partners kami.
Let's see. But you will never ever be part of our world.
I love Velma so much, and she will be an imperial. Kaya naming mabuhay ng kami lang, hindi kita kailangan.
Ingrato ka talaga. Tinuring kitang anak. Even if you are the son of your mother from another.
Another what? Ano? Yan naman ang lagi mong sinusumbat, di ba? Na anak ako ni Mama sa iba. Eh bakit ikaw? Di ba nang babae ka din? Ha? Pa!
Tuluyan na daw siyang naparalisa, sabi ng doktor. And it's almost impossible na makaka-recover pa siya. That's why, son, you will have to take over his business.
Ma, I'm not his real son.
That's why, son, you have to prove na kaya mo. And that you deserve to be an imperial. Wala na siyang magagawa ngayon. All you need to do is make him proud of you.
Sorry. Were you still watching that? You should stop.
I thought naka-move on na ako dito. But that gut-wrenching feeling is back. And so are the questions. Did you love her? Was it a one-night stand? Either way, nakakasuka. Natunay lang that I wasn't enough for you.
Velma, please don't do this.
I lost you. And I lost myself. Ilan pang pagpapaganda ang gagawin ko sa sarili ko? Ilang liters ng Botox, ilang sessions ng liposuction, ilang oras ako sa loob ng beauty clinic. How much makeup does a woman have to put on for her to feel that she's enough? Na hinding-hindi mo siya papalitan.
I was weak. I was weak, and that girl, that Helen girl, she saw right through me and she used it against me. Inakit niya ako nilandi, thinking na makukuha niyang pangarap niya by destroying what we have, and I fell for it. I made a mistake. Sa pagkakamaling hindi ko na uulitin, Velma.